How to charge your GoPro 7 Black or simply your GoPro. It works with any other versions as well. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's video I will show you the way on how you can charge your GoPro 7 Black. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you can see I have my GoPro 7 right over here, and let's say I want to charge it. First of all, I will show you my current charge by tuning on my GoPro by tapping on this mode button which you see. So I will simply tune on my GoPro. So right over here, if I go ahead and show you, you can see the charge is only up to 49%. So you can see right over here, the charge is only up to 49%. Now there are basically lots of ways to charge it. First of all, let me go ahead and then turn off my GoPro right on this case. So once I go ahead and then turn off my GoPro, what we need is simply our charger, which is the Type-C USB charger. So the GoPro actually has a Type-C USB charger, so make sure that you have the Type-C as well. As you can see on this case, I have a Type-C cable, and you need to connect this cable to your power source. In my case, it is already connected to a power source. If you don't have the adapter, you can also simply use the USB hub and then try to use it to your computer and charge it. Now the charging port over here is actually hidden on our GoPro. As you can see right over here, you have this little lock icon on the right hand side of this GoPro. So let me just go ahead and show you that with a little more focus. As in this case, you'll be able to see that the lock icon is actually hidden. In order to pull out or remove it, we have to simply press this rectangular little dot right over here, press it and then pull it outside towards the open direction. As soon as you do that, you can see that this lock is going to be successfully removed, and right over here you'll be able to see just two ports. All you have to do is connect it to the Type-C one. So what you have to do is simply connect this charger to your Type-C port right over here. As you can see, I will simply connect it. So let me go ahead and then do that for you. Once you connect it, you will be able to see the red blink on your GoPro. If you don't see the red blink right like this, it means that your GoPro is not charging. So you have to be able to see this red blink both here and then on this side as well. And just like that, you will be able to charge your GoPro. Now you can also go ahead and tune on and then use your GoPro if you want. Now this is basically the first way to charge it. The other way is that if you have a dedicated charger, in that case you can simply remove the battery and then charge it from your GoPro charger. Now in this case I simply connect it with my Type-C USB cable. The other way you can do is we can simply remove our battery. So in order to remove our battery, if you already have your GoPro charger, you can see the other end also has this rectangular box. You have to simply press and open it wide, and then you have this little pulley. If you look closely, you have this pulley to pull it out. All you have to do is press and hold this pulley and then simply pull out the battery. And if you have a charger, you could go ahead and connect this battery to that charger and then charge it in that way. This was the way on how you can charge your GoPro. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.